Space, the final frontier. A place where we've been hurling humans since the 1960s. And from then, NASA has conducted 135 missions and sent over 355 different people to space. Now obviously that's not a big number in the past 50 years, but space travel is not cheap. It can cost up to $5.2 million per person to travel to the International Space Station or the ISS for a short private astronaut mission. But in recent times, we have seen the rich and powerful take an interest in space travel. While Elon Musk has Tesla, he also has SpaceX with reusable rockets and have shown that it works. Not only to reuse the resources to propel the spaceship up into space, but to cut down the costs. Jeff Bezos also has a space company and has managed to get to space with 3 other people. However, it is said that he plans to make commercial space travel available for those who can afford it. But the ultimate goal, according to Bezos, is to move all pollution-producing industries into space in order to preserve the Earth. Going to space isn't just a visionary goal. The end game, in my opinion, is not just to see Earth from space, but to harvest resources that we have never been able to touch. And oh boy, there's a ton of them out there. How and where are we going to harvest these resources? The simple answer? Asteroids. There are 3 types of general asteroids: the C-class, S-class, and the M-class. The C-class contains a lot of water and materials used for fertilizer compared to anything else. The S-class asteroid contains very little water but a lot of metals. And the M-class asteroid, while very rare, contains 10 times the amount of metal compared to the S-class asteroid. But here's the kicker. A small 10-meter S-class asteroid can contain up to 650,000 kilograms of metal and about 50 kilograms of rare metal like platinum and gold. To put that into perspective, 730 tons or 662,245 kilograms of metal was used to build the Empire State Building, which means a 10-meter S-class asteroid plus a little more is enough to build close to a century-old building. And mind you, not all S-class asteroids are 10 meters. The largest known S-class asteroid, the 15 Eunomia, has a diameter of 330 kilometers. Simple maths can tell you that the 15 Eunomia might consist of 21.45 billion kilograms of metal, which will let you build roughly 32,389 Empire State Buildings. Alright, now that maths class is over, let's wrap it up. The rush to space has its pros and cons. Yes, we'll finally be able to explore space, and I'm really excited about that. But mining for natural resources in space comes with other issues. Do we bring down the asteroid to Earth and mine it here? Or do we set up mining facilities up in space? Both of them are very expensive. This could in turn drive up the cost of common metals like iron and nickel, so it's kind of a double-edged sword. But on the flip side, we will never have to decimate the Earth for natural resources anymore, and as Bezos says, could preserve the beauty of Earth. But I want to know what you think about space travel and mining resources up in space in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.